Okay, now time to put these birds in their new homes. It will be that box. That's the sick birds box, alright. Now they're all sick. I don't know if they are sick. Some of them can be sick. So we will do a checkup to all of them, and our old bird got a fever too. You're right. And some of the birds escaped. I don't know how, but now let's keep these birds in their new home. Alright, we opened. Then we will close after we put all the birds in. I will left some holes, like I will not put it tightly closed because they need oxygen, so I will just lose it a little. Right, so let's start putting these little buddies in the new home of them. Alright, so this green one, it looks like a Rajasthani parrot. Let's keep him in. Alright, so he's inside. Let's keep all rest of the birds. Alright. Now the old bird. They are friendly. Okay, he's friendly because he always knows me. Okay, I'm always sleeping. I don't know why, because I think my feathers are too heavy. That's why I don't have any balance. So forget about that. Let's put him in too with the others. Only one is inside. Whatever, let's keep anyways. Alright, so we put him in too. Look, he's with his buddy. Hi. Alright, my old bird said that. The rest of the birds don't know how to speak. We are teaching them. Alright. Looks like one of the birds pushed each other. Alright. Now the youngest baby duck. Let's put the youngest baby duck from the duck family because it is so tiny. So let's keep him first, then the bigger, then bigger, then bigger, then bigger, then bigger. And guys, I have a new yellow feather growing here. So let's keep it. Let's keep her. Alright, so she's in too. Let's put the rest of the duck family and the other birds. Oh, that cockatoo. Don't forget about him. Oh my god. He almost escaped. Let's grab him and now put him in his new home. They will be for now there until we check them. Then they will go in a real cage. Alright, so let's put him in. Let's put him. What are we waiting for? Let's put him. Okay, so she's in too. Alright. Now that white parrot. Oh, it's grabbing my hand. It is friendly. It just let me catch it in Wednesday. Alright. Let's keep him in too. Little buddy, stay there. Stay there. Wait a minute, I'm coming. Wait a minute. Otherwise, I will just put you in right now. Come on, little buddy. Come on. Alright, so he's in too. Let's catch. We already catch them. Let's put the other ones. Okay, this is the more bigger one. This is the biggest young duck I've ever seen in my whole life. Let's put him in with the others. Come on. Come in my hand. I have to be very gentle with him, you know. Come on. Come to me. Come to me. Okay, so they both are sticking together. I don't know why. I guess they're protecting each other. Now for the mother. Oh, looks like she's calling her babies. Look, guys. Alright, so Darsh gifted me a new parrot that talks and chirps. That parrot is sleeping with Darsh's parrots because Darsh's parrots is my too for everyone. Alright, so let's just put her over here. Okay. Come on. Now let's put her inside. Let's put her. Alright. Now they are all in, but I saw some injured birds over there. Let's catch them, make them pets and cure them. Right? So let's go. Oh, here they are. Looks like they are best friends. Alright. So let's catch them. We will make them our pet. Look at that. Hurt on the eye, hurt on the beak, hurt on the foot, hurt here, hurt over there and here. Everywhere is hurt. We need to help him. Right? Let's put him in with the others. Come on, little buddy. Oh, he just hopped in. I guess he's that is a girl, that's a boy. That we just catch. Whatever. Alright, now he's just jumping on me and she was just jumping on me. Whatever. She was just jumping on me. Then she came in. I guess she knows we are helping her. Alright. So, same happened to this injured bird. Alright. So, we are going to protect them by doing this. Alright. Alright, let me just open it a little bit. Just like that. Now they can get oxygen. Ouch. Wait a minute. More open. Okay. Now they can get oxygen. Alright. So I hope they will be fine after a few days. I will give them medicine. I will give them bandages, soframycin, and I will put them antiseptic and much more that injured birds need to have. Alright. So I will see you in another video. Bye. And these birds will be perfect after that. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe Darsh's 3 channels and like and hit the bell. Like Darsh Gamer Fishing channel, Learning with Darsh channel only for kids, Budgie's channel. Just changed Budgie's channel only for kids to Budgie's channel. Okay. I hope no more channel name changing. Alright. Now, bye everyone. Don't forget what I said at the end of the video, before the end of the video, whatever we can say. Okay, now bye for real everyone. Don't forget to do that I said before the video ended. Now bye. Now I'm going for sleep. Looks like I'm going for sleep. Let's just... Okay. I guess we can sleep like that. Or we can sleep like that. Yeah, we can sleep like that. Now let's let's put a cushion. I guess we can sleep like that. I'm too long. Let's put a cushion near my head. So tired after ending this video. I hope everyone likes and subscribes. And it's the night time, so I have to sleep for like 2 hours. Then the night time will be finished. Bye. I said that already, and now I ended the video. Now I guess I will sleep.